going, guys? Today I'm going to be reviewing a RC police car. It's a Mercedes-Benz E-Class Coupe. Now let's open it up. When you take this out of the box, there are 3 pieces of plastic that you have to unscrew. The first thing you want to do is attach the antenna. The next thing you want to do is put the batteries in. 4 in the car, 2 in the controller. The left joystick goes forward and backwards, and the right joystick goes left and right. The center button is the horn.
Put it down so Lily can drive it.
It's faster than what I thought it would be. So good. I think the alignment's off.
Yep. That's cool.
Oh man.
Put it down. You can't hold it while it drives.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.